we presented a letter of request to be permitted to conduct crusade. The OCS went to the OCPD, the OCPD to the county commandant, county commandant to regional commandant, through our lawyers. They said, I think the letter is here, nitaitafuta tu. Nikaambiwa, Pastor, simu imetoka juu kutoka kwa president na CS, cabinet secretary wa internal security. They have been monitoring you.
Senator Cherargei, then I'll give you
Chair.
Senator.
All of us are members of Senate. I don't know what is wrong, but anyway, that's a story for another day. Chair, mine, if you look at the Constitution, the decisions of the President should be in writing. So dragging the name of the President is unfair, because this is where we move from the previous. So my advice maybe to the witness is, if there any written feedback from the people who denied him to all that crusade, he can table before the committee, or he uses allegedly or niliambiwa, so that for benefit of all of us, because we are trying to establish what really happened, and we know many people would say so and so has called me. Even you as a chair, you can say the speaker has called me. But as my brother Senator Wakoli has said, it should be in writing. If it is something that was said, let us treat it as gossip and deal with the facts as is, so that we protect the integrity of some of the officers. And you know, we are live. So we don't want somebody else to be misbehaving and saying the president has called, or chairman has called, or senator so and called. So it is important that let us avoid throwing around.
Senator, to finish.
Just, can I finish? Can I finish?
Allow him to finish.
So that you don't allow throwing of names. It is not even neater, Chair. So I beg you to take charge of the meeting and direct that the witness withdraws the drawing in of the names of the president, and if there is written that the county commissioner wrote back and told him the president has called and the CS has called, then we can take that and invite relevant agencies.
Chair, can I